This year, LG caught us a bit off guard by announcing a new X series of smartphones. The models span a range from the lower mid-tiers to almost flagship grade, and some also come with unique features, borrowed from the top-shelf class of the company's smartphones. For example, the first members of the family were the LG X Screen, which has a ticker display like the one on the LG V10, and the LG X Cam, which features a dual-camera module on its back. Later, a second wave of devices was announced, with the X Power, X Style, X Max, and X Mach fleshing out the portfolio. Here, we will be taking a look at the speediest of the bunch, the LG X Mach. Dressed in modest-looking build materials, it sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 808, 3GB of RAM, a camera with impressively wide, 1.55 pixels, and a QHD 1440 by 2560 screen resolution. It's almost a flagship class smartphone, without stepping on the LG G5's toes too much, possibly aimed at those who want top-level performance, but would prefer playing less, even if it's for a less flashy-looking handset. Internet and connectivity. There is no stock LG browser on board. We assume that the company is well aware of the fact that the majority of users just use Chrome, which is always bundled on an Android device. So, we naturally used Google's Chrome for all of our web fiddling. It ran fine and opened heavy websites without a pant, while the large screen made browsing a breeze. We definitely felt comfortable using the LG X Mach for a wide gamut of tasks, from reading phone area to ordering food from the local pizza place's website. The phone supports LTE Cat9, 450/50ths of a megabit per second, and, naturally, has NFC, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi 802.11a, B, G, N, AC. /.